This guide demonstrates the steps to effectively use various filtering and grouping options within the Budget Manager to get a better overview of your budget lines. Within the Budget Manager, you can select different filters to get a better overview of your budget lines. In this case, we will filter by location. Choose the desired region from the drop-down menu in the Budget Manager. Click the Apply Filter button to apply the selected region filter. Now you'll see just the budget lines that are within the U.S. South region. To reset the filter, click the Reset Filter button. Now let's try out the text search filter within the Budget Manager. In this case, let's type accommodation in the text search filter. Then, click the Apply Filter button to apply the text search filter. Afterwards, you will see the filtered selection. In this case, accommodation. Let's again reset the filter to try out grouping options by clicking the Reset Filter button. To use grouping options, click the configuration icon. Under Cluster Rule, you can choose between different grouping options. Within the drop-down menu, choose your desired options. In our case, we will choose Department Region. In case you can't see your budget lines after applying the grouping filter, click on the plus icon to show your budget lines. Afterwards, you will see your grouped budget lines. If you want to see a summary, navigate to the Summary section. Here you'll see your summary grouped by department and regions. If you want to get a different summary overview, go back to the Budget Lines overview. And again, choose your desired option from the Cluster Rule drop-down. In our case, choose Region Department. Then navigate back to the Summary section. And again, you'll see the Summary overview. You have now successfully navigated through the various filtering options within the Budget Manager. Continue exploring other features to manage your budget effectively.